Hi everyone, today we are going to be making cóctel de camarón. For this recipe, you will need 4 pounds of raw shrimp, we will also need water and ice. We will use this for when the shrimp is cooked. We will put it in here so then it doesn't keep on cooking. For this recipe, we will also need 2 garlic cloves, 1 whole onion, half an onion, 3 limes, and 3 Roma tomatoes. For this recipe, we will also need 2 celery sticks, 2 cucumbers, seedless, and some cilantro. We will also need 2 bay leaves. For this recipe, we will also need salt to taste and black pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon. We will also need 1 tablespoon of Valentina, 3.5 cups of ketchup, and 4 cups of clamato or tomato juice, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of jugo Maggi. We will also need 1 teaspoon of oil. We will also need 3 large avocados, 1 chile serrano. And for when the cocktail is ready, I'm going to be serving it with crackers. You can use any crackers that you like. I'm going to be using this kind. Now we're going to start by peeling the shrimp, but don't throw away the little shell of the shrimp. We're going to save it so we can cook it later. Okay, this is how they look already peeled. Okay, as you see, we saved the shells and we're going to cook these for not that long so that we can get their juice, so we can use their juice for the cocktail. Okay, here I've got a pot filled with water and I'm going to add half an onion and 2 garlic cloves and 2 celery sticks and the bay leaves. And we're going to sprinkle some salt on. Okay, now we're going to add the shells inside. Okay, now I'm just going to add the shrimp. And we're going to let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, now we're going to strain it and take the shrimp out. We're also going to take about 1 cup of the juice. Here I already went ahead and put the shrimp into ice water. Here we have about 1 cup of the juice. Okay, now it is cold and we took it out from the ice water. I did want to say that I do like to have my shrimp whole. I know that some people like to cut it, but I prefer to have it whole. And now I'm going to go get my other ingredients ready. So let's go finish the next step. Okay, I finished the other ingredients. I did dice tomatoes, onions. I also chopped some avocado. The avocado is going to go last when we're mixing. And here we did dice also cucumber, seedless, and cilantro. Here we've got 1 cup of the shrimp juice. And we've got chopped serrano and lemon juice. Okay, now we're going to start mixing the ingredients. Okay, I already went ahead and added 3.5 cups of ketchup and 4 cups of tomato juice. We're also going to add, I also went ahead and added 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and half a teaspoon of jugo mari. And we're also going to add 1 cup of the shrimp juice. And we're going to mix. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Valentina. And we're going to add the lemon juice as well. And we're going to mix it well. And now we're going to add the diced onion, diced tomato, and cucumber. And the serrano. And the cilantro. And we're going to mix it. And we're going to sprinkle some salt. And now we're going to add the shrimp. And we're going to mix it now. Okay, we're also going to add oil. I'm going to be using olive oil, but you can use any type of oil you like. And now we're going to finally add the avocado. And we're very gently going to mix so that it doesn't break. Okay guys, I switched it into another bowl because I am going to put this in the fridge so that it cools, because when it's cold it tastes much better. Okay, now that our cocktail de camarón has cooled, now we can enjoy it. I served mine with crackers on this side. I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe and I recommend that you guys try it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.